voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area.
Really? Ruskin, really? What the hell?
Your coastal waters
What
for the Cape
is wrong with you?
32 listening area for the following marine
Goodness. Doing another one, thank you. Failed on your other one.
I am really sorry if you're getting this alarm twice. We're having some technical problems on our end, but let me try this again. This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m., unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to our regular programming. The Tampa climate summary for this
Thank you, Ruskin.
5 p.m. November
I accept your apology.